This is something fun we can create in our spreadsheet. We're going to change the header color based on what time it is, based on the time of day. We're going to change the header color either at night to a deep dark purple, at sunrise a nice little orange yellow, and then during the day we're going to keep it as a sunny bright yellow, and during sunset at 4 p.m. we'll change it to this sort of sunset orange. So how are we going to do this? We're going to use AppScript, and it's fairly easy. Just go up to Extensions, AppScript. Here we have a function called myFunction. We're going to need to create 4 different functions. The first one we will create, let's look at our timing. We have the first one during the day is sunrise. So we'll call this function sunrise. We're going to get spreadsheet app, which is just a general function inside of AppScript that we can use here. Get active spreadsheet we're going to choose, which is the entire workbook. We're going to get sheet by name, and the sheet is going to be called jobs in this particular case. We're going to get the range, which is in quotes 1: is the header row, the first row. We can make this a little easier to read. There we go. And now we're going to set background. The background we're going to set, in this case, let's go grab our sunrise hex code we've already picked in quotes. And so this function is called sunrise. We will now copy and paste this and call this one night, and we'll use this hex code. We'll copy and paste this as well and do sunny. We'll call this function sunny. We're going to format it a little bit just so we can see all of them, and then we'll need sunset. And let's change that hex code. So they're all 4 of these are the same function. Let's test it. Let's test sunrise. We're going to hit run up here, go up to our job, and it is change the header. So how do we do this based on the time? Let's go back to our colors and look at our timing. So the first one in the daytime is sunrise. So we can move these like this so that we can see sunrise, sunny, sunset, then night. So at 6 a.m. we need to trigger sunrise. Let's go over to the left side, create trigger. On the bottom right, add trigger. Choose which function to run. We're going to choose sunrise. Instead of event source from spreadsheet, we're going to use time driven. We're going to choose a day timer, and here we can select the time of day and choose. So this will run between the hours of 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Click save, and now we're going to do the 10 a.m. for sunny. So create a trigger, add trigger on the bottom right, choose which function to run, sunny, time driven, day timer, 10 a.m. So this is only triggering it once. We just need to trigger it once, and each one will override the last one. So now we need to do sunset at 4 p.m. Add trigger, sunset, time driven, day timer, 4 p.m. Save. And our last one is going to be the night, time driven, day timer. We'll choose 7 p.m. Click save. If for any reason you want to edit any of these, the pencil icon on the far right will allow you to edit the trigger. If we want to delete these and we're like, hey, we're tired of these changing all the time, we can hit the 3 dots on the right and click delete trigger to delete any of these triggers. We go delete forever, and we can always add them back if we want to. But now you have your header changing to very specific hex codes.